Welcome to EDU World Space.
So here we're going to assume that there's no appreciable height difference between the two sides of the roof, and then we're just going to apply Bernoulli's equation. And we can say P inside plus 1/2 rho V inside squared plus rho GY inside will be equaling the pressure outside out plus 1/2 rho V out squared plus rho GY out. And we're going to then say that the difference in pressure inside minus the pressure outside, would be equaling 1/2 times the density of air multiplied by the velocity outside squared, actually out squared, given that the velocity inside is negligible. This would be equaling the force of the air divided by the cross-sectional area, or the surface area rather, of the roof. And so we can say that then the force of the air would be equaling 1/2 times the density of the air times the velocity of the air outside squared times the surface area of the roof. And so we say that the force of the air would be equaling 1/2 times 1.29 kilograms per cubic meter multiplied by, it would be 180 kilometers per hour. For every 1 meter per second, there are 3.6 kilometers per hour, and this quantity would be squared. This would be multiplied by 6.2 meters times 12.4 meters. And so the force of the air would be equaling approximately 1.2 times 10, rather that's again 1.2 times 10 to the 5th newtons. This would be our final answer. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for